BI Helper is a simple, secure and scalable solution to automate the generation and distribution of PDF reports from Power BI, Tableau and Qlik. Register yourself on BI Helper and sign in to go to the Jobs dashboard. Set up and run your report campaign here. We'll now demo it on the retail sales report. The first step is to define report name, job frequency and run date and time. The next step is to access your report in Power BI and enter the report slicer values and recipient mail IDs. Advanced features include page size and selection and Excel exports of matrix and table visuals. The final step is email setup. You can customize the sender mail ID, subject and body, including logos, images, multiple fonts and colors. Now you're all set. Back to the Jobs dashboard. Run your campaign here and monitor its progress here. Voila! Your PDF reports are delivered to the selected recipients as email attachments. To get started, visit bihelper.tech.